Meet DExTr, ONEcount's data exchange and transformation engine. DExTr enables companies to easily consolidate customer data from many data sources into a single, actionable execution framework. Leveraging the latest technology, DExTr unifies data from any data source, like legacy databases, CRM databases, transactional systems, email service providers, and fulfillment vendors on any frequency. DExTr's unique ability to ingest and bidirectionally sync data eliminates the need for expensive API integrations, call limit restrictions, and ongoing maintenance. DExTr's unique ability to ingest and sync data eliminates the need for expensive API integrations and ongoing maintenance. A single DExTr mapping can migrate millions of rows of data from different platforms into ONEcount in a matter of seconds. To begin, make sure all fields you wish to import have already been created in ONEcount. For DExTr to translate demographic data, the name of the field from the third-party source needs to be identified and matched to the associated ONEcount data field. For selection fields like radio buttons and drop-downs, map any potential values from the ONEcount selection to the appropriate values in your third-party data source. Fields need to be mapped for any non-open text field. If the value mapping is the same, you can leave it blank. If needed, you can add validations to the field like required or email address, and DExTr will deal with them while transforming the data. Next, navigate to the transactional fields. On this tab, transactional data points can be mapped to import data from sources like event registrations, white papers, e-commerce, and subscription activities or offline purchases of tangible goods. ONEcount products or packages need to be created prior to import so that the transactions from your third-party database match those in ONEcount. Define what the product is, what the term or price is, and the other associated values. The flexibility of DExTr's transformation capabilities continues. Any date format coming from any data source can be translated to match a universal date format. Driving engagement and activation is a core component of ONEcount's CDP. DExTr can sync any engagement metric. Simply define engagement field names and match them with the ONEcount engagement metric. The last two steps are optional, but useful in some instances. If needed, a static field can be added to the import. Some ONEcount users use static fields for identification or sourcing purposes. For future exports, if the order of the columns needs to be rearranged, that can be done on the Reorder Field tab. Using DExTr's simple drag-and-drop interface, columns can be reordered by moving each field label up and down to adjust the horizontal order of their appearance on exports. DExTr is now ready to roll. Let's schedule the data feed sync. Within ONEcount's import tool, define a new import and select the mapping created in DExTr. Simply specify the file location, FTP/SFTP credentials, and the frequency to sync data between each data source. DExTr gives ETL capabilities to everyone. Visit ONEcount.com today and schedule your demo to discover for yourself how DExTr eliminates the need for expensive API calls and maintenance.